Hey, I'm Brad, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple scale exercise that's going to massively improve your speed, your timing and your control on the Irish tenor banjo, especially if you're a beginner. Now, I'm going to bring up the exercise on the screen now. This is a D major scale, but don't worry about the name or what it does. Just think of it as a simple exercise pattern that's going to help you build your speed. Now, we're going to do 3 speeds, a slow, a medium, and then a push speed. And now we're going to start with our slow one. So I've got a metronome here. You can get one off Google, YouTube, or I've got an app on my phone. Just a simple metronome app will be fine. We're going to start here at 60 BPM. Now this is where the magic really happens. Just really dialing it in at a slow speed. So here's the click at 60 BPM. Let's have a little go together. So I'll give you a count of 4. Ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so as a beginner, this is where you should start and spend most of your time. Focus on clean notes, even timing, and staying relaxed. A couple of other things to note is the left hand we're using separate fingers when we change frets. So we don't want to use the same finger. And then with the right hand, when we get to the 8th notes, that's bars 3 and 4, I'm using what's called alternate picking. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Just makes it a little bit quicker when we get to them faster. Down, up. Yeah. So main thing here is speed doesn't come from playing fast. It comes from playing clean at slow speeds first and then building. So once that becomes comfortable, we just simply speed it up. So I'm going to put this up now to, let's try 90 BPM. So same exercise, but at 90 BPM. Here we go. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so again, nice and clean. So you should always still feel in control here. If it starts to feel messy, slow it back down. That's where most people get it wrong. They just try and plow through at a fast speed. But at this, when we're practicing in this way, our medium speed should still feel relatively comfortable and in control. Okay, so once that's done, now we're going to push that speed slightly outside the comfort zone. So this is where it should maybe feel a little bit uncontrolled. So I'm going to push that right up now to, let's try 140 BPM. Again, with all of these speeds, these are a guide. If they're all too fast, all these tempos are too fast, just slow it down. You don't have to do it. Or if it's too easy, speed it up. So I've got 140 here somewhere that I think most beginners might find a little bit tricky. So let's try this one together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, what we do that slow speed, then the medium speed, and then that push speed, all in a loop, and just keep practicing. So this is, again, the push speed, this is where we build the speed, but only, again, once you've got the slower tempos that feel solid first. Now, this is important. You don't need to practice this for hours and hours and hours. You just need 5 to 10 minutes a day of this one exercise. It's going to make a massive difference in your playing. And if you do it consistently, your fingers are going to start feeling more faster and more controlled and way more confident. So how do we apply this to tunes? Well, again, this is a major scale. It makes up loads of famous Irish tunes. It's exactly the kind of techniques that you need to play loads of Irish tunes. So it helps with everything from playing more smoother and makes tunes easier to play. If you found this video helpful, I've put together a full banjo basics ebook. It walks you through scales, exercise, everything you need to do to get going properly. There'll be a link in the description below, so do check that out. And if you want more simple, beginner-friendly banjo lessons like this one, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.